Welcome to John Mechanic. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that every driver should know: tires. Tires are not just rubber circles on your wheels. They are the only point of contact between your car and the road. The performance, safety, and even the fuel economy of your vehicle depend directly on the quality and condition of your tires. In this video, we are going to explore everything about tires, the different types, how to choose the right ones, tips to maintain them, and the most common mistakes drivers make. Stay until the end, because I will also share professional tips that can save you money and even extend the life of your tires by thousands of miles. So, if you have ever wondered which tires are best for your car, how often you should rotate them, or what those numbers and letters on the sidewall really mean, this video is for you. Let's get started with the basics of understanding your tires. Let's begin with the basics. A tire is made up of several components, not just rubber. The outer layer is called the tread, and this is what provides grip on the road. Beneath the tread, you have layers of fabric and steel belts that give the tire its strength and flexibility. Finally, the inner liner holds the air and maintains proper pressure. Understanding the tread is very important. The design of the tread pattern determines how well your car can stop, turn, and handle in different conditions, such as rain, snow, or dry pavement. Tires with deep grooves are designed to channel water away and prevent hydroplaning, while high-performance tires have larger contact patches for maximum grip on dry roads. Every tire is a balance between safety, performance, and comfort. Knowing these basics will help you choose the right tire for your driving needs. In the next part, we will explore the different categories of tires and what makes each of them unique. Now let's talk about the main categories of tires. The most common type is the all-season tire. These are designed to perform reasonably well in a wide range of conditions, from dry summer roads to light winter snow. They are a good choice for most everyday drivers who want convenience and durability. Next, we have summer tires, sometimes called performance tires. These are optimized for warm weather and provide excellent grip, precise handling, and shorter braking distances. However, they lose effectiveness in cold temperatures and are not suitable for icy or snowy roads. Then, there are winter tires, also known as snow tires. These have deeper treads, softer rubber compounds, and special patterns that allow them to grip icy and snowy surfaces. They are essential for anyone who drives regularly in freezing conditions. Finally, off-road and all-terrain tires are designed for trucks and SUVs that frequently go beyond paved roads. These tires have aggressive tread patterns to handle dirt, gravel, and mud. Choosing the correct category of tire depends on your climate, driving style, and where you use your vehicle most often. When choosing new tires, one of the most important things to understand is the tire code printed on the sidewall. This code may look confusing at first, but it provides essential information. For example, you might see something like P215/6-5R15. The first letter, P, indicates that it is a passenger car tire. The number 215 represents the tire's width in millimeters. The 65 refers to the aspect ratio, which is the height of the sidewall compared to its width. The letter R stands for radial construction, which is the standard design used in most modern tires. Finally, the number 15 tells you the diameter of the wheel in inches that the tire fits on. You will also find other important markings, such as the load index and speed rating. The load index tells you how much weight each tire can safely support, and the speed rating indicates the maximum safe speed at which the tire can operate. Understanding these codes ensures you choose tires that match your vehicle's specifications and driving needs. Another critical factor to consider when buying or maintaining tires is tire pressure. Proper inflation is essential for safety, performance, and efficiency. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, which means your car burns more fuel and the tires wear out faster. Overinflated tires, on the other hand, reduce traction and make the ride less comfortable. Most cars have a recommended tire pressure listed on a sticker inside the driver's door or in the owner's manual. It is important to check your tire pressure at least once a month and always before long trips. Use a reliable tire gauge because even small deviations can make a big difference. Properly inflated tires not only extend the life of your tires, but also improve braking, handling, and fuel economy. In short, maintaining the correct tire pressure is one of the simplest and most effective ways to stay safe and save money on the road. Now let's talk about tire rotation. Rotating your tires means changing their position on the vehicle at regular intervals. This is necessary because tires wear unevenly depending on their location. For example, front tires often wear faster because they handle steering and more braking force. By rotating them, you ensure that all four tires wear evenly, which extends their lifespan and improves overall performance. Most experts recommend rotating your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, or roughly every time you get an oil change. There are different rotation patterns depending on whether your car is front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive. Following the correct pattern ensures balanced wear and better handling. Remember, even wear across all tires not only saves you money, but also provides more consistent traction and safer driving. Tire alignment is another key aspect of tire maintenance. Alignment refers to adjusting the angles of the wheels so that they are set correctly according to the manufacturer's specifications. When your wheels are properly aligned, your car drives straight, handles smoothly, and your tires wear evenly. If your alignment is off, you might notice the car pulling to one side, the steering wheel vibrating, or uneven tire wear. Poor alignment not only shortens the lifespan of your tires, but also reduces fuel efficiency and makes driving less safe. It is a good idea to check your alignment at least once a year, or any time you hit a big pothole or curb. Proper alignment ensures maximum tire life, better handling, and greater safety on the road. It is one of the most overlooked but most important parts of tire care. Another important detail is tire balancing. Balancing ensures that the weight of the tire and wheel assembly is evenly distributed. Even a small imbalance can cause vibrations at higher speeds, uneven wear, and strain on suspension components. When you get new tires installed, the shop will normally balance them using small weights attached to the rim. Over time, those weights can shift or fall off, which is why periodic rebalancing is recommended. If you feel vibrations through the steering wheel or the seat when driving at highway speeds, it may be a sign your tires need balancing. Keeping your tires balanced not only provides a smoother ride, but also protects your suspension system and extends tire life. It is a simple maintenance step that pays off in comfort, safety, and performance. Let's discuss tread depth. The tread on your tire is what grips the road, channels water, and prevents slipping. As tires wear down, the tread becomes shallower and your car loses traction, especially in wet or snowy conditions. Most new tires start with about 10-30 seconds of an inch of tread depth. A common rule is that once your tread reaches 2/30 seconds of an inch, it is legally worn out and must be replaced. However, for better safety, many experts recommend replacing tires when they reach 4/30 seconds of an inch, especially if you drive in rainy or snowy areas. An easy way to check is the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread with Lincoln's head upside down. If you can see the top of his head, your tires are too worn and need replacement. Monitoring tread depth is one of the simplest ways to know when it is time for new tires and to ensure maximum safety on the road. Finally, let's go over some professional tips to extend the life of your tires and get the most out of them. First, always drive smoothly. Hard acceleration, sudden braking, and aggressive cornering wear out your tires much faster. Second, keep an eye on road hazards. Potholes, debris, and curbs can damage the sidewalls or throw off alignment. Third, remember to store seasonal tires properly. If you switch between winter and summer tires, store the set you are not using in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Another key tip is to buy quality tires that fit your vehicle's needs. While cheaper options may seem attractive, they usually wear faster and can compromise safety. Investing in good tires often saves money in the long run. In summary, your tires are one of the most critical parts of your car. By choosing the right type, Keeping them properly inflated, rotating them, and checking alignment, you ensure safety, better performance, and longer lifespan. Thanks for watching John Mechanic, and remember, your tires are the foundation of every safe and enjoyable drive.